Getting wired for wireless. By power, we mean power over Ethernet for access points, as well as other devices such as voice over IP phones. Today, there are many devices that get their power directly from the switch. In most cases, these are wireless access points. So the first concern is, does each port provide enough power for the device plugged into it? Early access points could operate on PoE, 15 watts of power at the switch. More powerful radios can consume more power. Today, most APs can be considered either by PoE or PoE Plus, 30 watts, including 802.11ac Wave 2. However, while the latest Wave 2 APs can operate on 30 watts of power, they need just a little bit more to achieve top performance, driving all of the radios and providing power to the USB port. The next generation 802.11ax APs will probably need even more power. Again, we expect that they will operate on PoE Plus power, but they will need more to drive the 8x8 radios for peak performance. There's a new standard coming, 802.3bt. This standard will incorporate both PoE++, or 60 watts of power, at which Cisco refers to as UPoE, and power over HD-base-T, or PoH, which delivers up to 90 watts per port. This standard is expected to be ratified by the IEEE in the fall of 2018. Several vendors already have switches that support 60 watts. To date, only Ruckus supports the capacity to provide 90 watts of power per port. In addition to the power required for access points, don't forget to consider any other devices that might require PoE power, like voice over IP phones, IPTVs, video cameras. Today, there are a few devices that require more than 30 watts, but we're starting to see more and more power-hungry devices like LED lighting, high-end video displays, and pan-tilt zoom cameras that can consume up to 75 watts or more. You need to consider how much total PoE power is required from your switch. Add up all of the power that will be needed for all of the devices. Do your switches have an adequate budget for all the powered devices? Ruckus has designed its switches to deliver the power needed for dense Wi-Fi deployments, as well as for other powered devices. Ruckus switches can support power over Ethernet on all 24 or 48 ports with a single power supply, and PoE Plus on all ports on those switches with dual power supplies. Ruckus is the only vendor that currently supports up to 90 watts power per port and offers among the highest total PoE budget available. Ruckus delivers power to spare. Thank you for listening. Please continue to the next video in this series or go to www.ruckuswireless.com for more information.